In this video, I'm going to show you a highly accurate reversal trading strategy using LuxAlgo's all-in-one indicators, ones I wish I'd known about before I started trading. Here's something you should know about. Black Friday is just around the corner, and LuxAlgo is bringing their biggest sale of the year starting November 25th. You can grab up to 65% off their ultimate plan using my link in the description. And here's the kicker. It includes access to a brand new AI-powered tool that's launching the same day. This incredible deal ends on December 1st. Plus, you can extend your subscription to the limit and lock in these discounts for up to 3 years. This strategy is built for lower timeframes like the 5-minute and 15-minute charts, making it perfect for day traders seeking fast, consistent gains. But it also delivers impressive results on the 30-minute and 1-hour charts. Whether you're trading crypto, forex, commodities, or stocks, these indicators cover it all. With tools like this, starting out could have been so much smoother. I've put this strategy to the test 100 times on the Bitcoin chart. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, where I'll share the full breakdown of my trading results. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Today I'm excited to share a powerful trading strategy designed to catch key reversal points with precision. This approach focuses on identifying ideal entry points for trend reversals, allowing you to capture market shifts at the right moment. With strict entry rules, this strategy aims to reduce risk and maximize profit potential by targeting only the most reliable reversal setups. Reversal trading, especially on lower time frames, can be challenging, but with this strategy's strict entry rules, you'll be able to trade with confidence and increase your chances of consistent profits. By the way, this particular strategy idea actually came from a member of the LuxAlgo Discord community, which has over 150,000 traders in it. After seeing the original idea, I made a few adjustments to fit my style, so this version isn't quite the same as the original shared there. But one thing I really enjoy is the community. You're never really alone when trading, and there's always someone available to share ideas, back-tested strategies, or offer tips. It's definitely helpful to have that kind of support. Alright, as an example, we will use the Bitcoin price chart on a 5-minute time frame. The strategy includes 3 indicators. In order to add them, we want to click on the Indicators tab and first search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. This video isn't sponsored by LuxAlgo. However, using my link in the description not only gives you up to 50% discount, but also lets you test these tools risk-free for 30 days, so there's no risk in giving it a try. Click that to add it to your chart. For our second indicator, we want to add the price action concepts. And for our third indicator, we're going to use the oscillator matrix. Okay, now let's adjust the settings of our indicators, starting with the signals and overlays. For the signal mode, we want to set it to none. Next, set the candle coloring to none as well. We'll leave the smart trail overlay enabled. Now, scroll down to the dashboard section and set the dashboard location to hidden. The Smart Trail Overlay is an essential tool for trend following and pullback trading. It acts as a dynamic trailing stop that adjusts based on unwanted price fluctuations within a trend, providing crucial support in uptrends and resistance in downtrends. When the price sits above the trail, we're in an uptrend, and when it's below, we're in a downtrend. The blue and red zones help visualize these support and resistance areas. If the price enters these zones, it can signal either a potential reversal or a retest, making it valuable for traders looking to spot trend shifts or catch pullbacks. Now that we understand how the Smart Trail works, let's move on to adjusting the price action concepts indicator. For our strategy, we only want to use the market structure labels, so make sure to disable everything except for the internal option. For better visualization, scroll down to General Styling and set the internal label size to normal. With just the internal market structure labels visible, our chart now highlights shorter-term price swings. These labels are an essential part of understanding price action, as they capture small shifts in market direction without relying on moving averages or other lagging indicators. Internal structures allow us to see mini trends that signal potential trend shifts or continuations. These labels help us identify 2 main types of market structure shifts. First, the change of character or chalk, which can signal a potential market reversal when price breaks a previous high or low. Then, there's the break of structure or BOS, often indicating trend continuation as the price pushes past prior swing points. Together, these labels give us a clear visual guide to the market's underlying structure. Finally, we need to adjust the oscillator matrix. Open its settings and disable everything except for the Show Reversals option. Then click on the Style tab and scroll down to the Level section, and disable both levels here. Next, scroll up where you'll see options for Reversal Up and Reversal Down. Increase the thickness of both lines to make them more visible. Lastly, disable the Reversal Up Plus and Reversal Down Plus. Once that's done, click OK. Now, on the right side of the indicator name, you'll see 3 dots. Click there, select Move To, and choose Existing Pane above. This moves the reversal signals directly onto our main chart, so we won't need to check a separate panel below. The reversal signals we're using here are minor reversals, which are marked by circles. These signals indicate shorter-term reversals, often appearing at the top or bottom of a price impulse. In other words, they frequently signal retracements, giving us an early alert to potential pullbacks or short-term trend shifts. These minor signals are helpful for spotting entry points within our strategy, providing timely insights into when a price movement might pause or reverse temporarily. With our indicators set up, we're now ready to dive into the core of the strategy. So, when exactly should we enter buy or sell trades? Here are the exact rules for a buy position. Make sure to pay close attention to every single one of them. First, we need to see a bullish BOS label on the chart. This confirms a potential shift in trend. Next, we wait for a bullish reversal signal, shown as a green dot at the bottom of our chart. This signal indicates that a short-term price reversal might be underway. Finally, by the time the reversal signal appears, the smart trail overlay must be in a bullish state, which is indicated by the blue color. If at any point before these conditions are met, a bearish chalk signal appears after the bullish BOS, the setup is invalidated and we do not enter a trade. Once all conditions are aligned, we open a buy trade at the close of the candlestick. For our stop loss, we'll use the smart trail, and for taking profit, we aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1:3, allowing us to maximize gains from this setup. Now let me show you another buy trade example. Step 1. Wait for a bullish BOS label to appear on the chart. Then look for a green dot at the bottom of the chart, which is our bullish reversal signal. Next, you want to confirm that the smart trail overlay is blue, showing a bullish trend. Remember, if a bearish chalk label appears after the bullish BOS, the trade is invalid and we don't enter. When all conditions are in place, we're going to open a buy trade at the candlestick's close. We're going to set the stop loss below smart trail, and we use a 1:3 risk-reward ratio for taking profit. Now, let's look at an example of an invalid buy trade. In this case, we see a bullish chalk label followed by a green reversal signal. The smart trail is blue by the time the reversal signal appears, which might look like a valid bullish setup. However, remember, we only use BOS labels for entries, not chalk labels. The reason for this is that a chalk label signals an early trend shift and is more prone to false signals. By focusing only on BOS labels, we increase the accuracy of our entries, avoiding premature trades and sticking to confirmed trend continuations. And here's another example of an invalid buy signal. First, we see a bullish BOS label on the chart. Then, after a few candlesticks, a green reversal signal appears. However, by the time this signal shows up, the smart trail is red, indicating a potential shift from an uptrend to a downtrend. We can see this shift in trend as the smart trail has changed from blue to red, signaling that the momentum is now turning bearish. If it turns red before our entry, it invalidates the trade as the trend is no longer favorable for a buy position. Alright, now let's go through some sell trade examples. First, we need to see a bearish BOS label on the chart. This confirms a potential shift in trend. Then we wait for a bearish reversal signal, shown as a red dot at the top of our chart. This signal indicates that a short-term price reversal might be underway. And finally, by the time the reversal signal appears, the smart trail overlay must be in a bearish state, which is indicated by the red color. Same as for buy trades. If, at any point before these conditions are met, a bullish chalk signal appears after the bearish BOS, the setup is invalidated and we do not enter a trade. Once all conditions are aligned, we open a sell trade at the close of the candlestick. For our stop loss, we'll use the smart trail, and for taking profit, we aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1:3, allowing us to maximize gains from this setup. And here's another sell trade. First, you want to wait for a bearish BOS label to appear on the chart. Then look for a red dot at the top of the chart, which is our bearish reversal signal. Next, you want to confirm that the smart trail overlay is red, showing a bearish trend. When all conditions are in place, we're going to open a sell trade at the candlestick's close. We're going to set the stop loss above the smart trail, and we use a 1:3 risk-reward ratio for taking profit. Now, before we get into the backtesting results, let's look at an invalid sell trade example. In this case, we first see a bearish BOS label appear on the chart, followed by a red reversal signal a few candlesticks later. However, one candlestick before the reversal signal appeared, a bullish chalk label was printed, which immediately invalidates the sell entry. Additionally, for a valid sell setup, the smart trail needs to be red by the time the reversal signal appears. But here we see the smart trail initially switch from blue to red and then back to blue, indicating uncertainty in the trend direction. This makes it an unreliable setup for entering a sell trade. Alright, at the beginning of the video, I promised to show you the backtesting results, and now it's time to deliver on that promise. I've tested this strategy 100 times manually on the Bitcoin USDT 5 minutes chart, and here are the results. I started with a $1,000 account balance. I used 10% of my account per trade, adjusting as my balance changes with each win or loss. For example, if I profit $100 on a trade, my new balance becomes $1,100, and I use 10% of this updated balance for the next trade. Similarly, if I lose $100, my balance drops to $900, and I use 10% of this amount on the following trade. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.